In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Notebook LM for meeting notes and follow-ups. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your meeting content, turn it into clear summaries, pull out action items, and generate polished follow-up messages without starting from scratch. First, open Notebook LM. On the home screen, click Create New Notebook. Give your notebook a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later, like the meeting title and date. Think of this notebook as the single home for everything related to that meeting. Recordings, notes, and agendas all in one place, ready for AI-powered analysis. Next, let's add your meeting content. Click Add Source. You can upload audio such as recordings from Zoom or Google Meet. This helps Notebook LM understand the conversation as it actually happened. You can also add notes from Google Docs, which is great if someone took live notes during the call. And don't forget files like agendas. These provide structure and context so your summaries are more accurate. Keep your file names clear and organized, and make sure you have permission to use any recordings. If uploads are large, give Notebook LM a moment to process them fully. With your sources ready, ask for instant insights. In the chat, type, "Summarize this meeting." Notebook LM will scan your uploaded materials and generate a concise, structured overview. This is especially helpful when you're short on time or missed part of the call. Review the summary and compare it to your agenda and notes to confirm it reflects the key points, decisions, and any follow-ups mentioned live. Now extract the to-dos. Ask, list all action items. Notebook LM will surface the tasks discussed during the meeting, including owners and deadlines if they were mentioned in the materials. This makes it easy to see what needs to happen next without replaying the entire recording. If something looks incomplete, double-check the original notes or audio you added and refine your prompt for clarity. Finally, turn those insights into a professional message. Ask, write a follow-up email summarizing this meeting. Notebook LM will draft a clear recap that highlights the main outcomes and action items. You can adjust tone and detail to match your audience, then copy the text into your email client for sending. Always skim the draft to ensure it reflects your team's decisions accurately. And that's it. Create a meeting notebook, add your sources, summarize, extract action items, and generate a follow-up, all in one streamlined workflow with Notebook LM.